5 minus 1.9705. Can you solve this without a calculator? Let's learn how. When adding decimals, line up the decimal points. Fill empty places with zeros, then add normally. Subtracting from a whole number? Write 5 as 5.0000, then subtract column by column. Fraction to decimal, divide top by bottom. Decimal to fraction, use place value, then simplify. Common mistake, adding without lining up the decimal points. Always align the dots first. Remember, line up the dots, fill with zeros, then go. That's all you need for decimal operations. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.